We didn't bring any food.
Oh. Hey, maybe Toodles can help us. Everybody say, oh, Toodles!
Oh, toodles!
Tweet, tweet, tweet! Well, hello to you too, Toodles. A pogo stick, a blanket, blueberries, or the mystery mouse-tool.
Can you eat a pogo stick?
That's silly.
Well, I once ate a hubcap. Tasty.
Ah, Goofy. What can we feed baby Redbird? Blueberries, rice, cold. Maybe we have a mouse-tool that can keep baby Redbird warm. Everybody say, oh, Toodles!
Oh, toodles!
Tweet, tweet, tweet. A pogo stick, a blanket, or the mystery mouse-tool. What will keep baby Redbird warm? A blanket, right!
3, here we come!
Uh-oh.
Mickey, how are we gonna get down to the forest?
Well, we're too high up to jump, that's for sure. I think we're going to need one of our mouse-tools for this. Everybody say, oh, Toodles!
Oh, toodles!
A pogo stick and the mystery mouse-tool.
Definitely the pogo stick.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure. Look.
Well, I don't think a pogo stick works here.
Me neither.
Ooh, that means it's time for the mystery mouse-tool. Everybody say, mystery mouse-tool.
Mystery mouse-tool.
What's today's mystery mouse-tool? A slide. Right!
How are we gonna get baby Redbird all the way up there?
Why don't we check our mouse-tools and see if they can help? Everybody say,
Oh, toodles!
can we use the pogo stick to jump up to Mommy Redbird? You betcha! We've used all our mouse-tools. Say super cheers!